Are you a student trying to break into the dynamic field of data science? Do you aim to add Python, one of the leading languages in data analytics, to your arsenal of skills? Or perhaps you're a professional who wants to leverage data-driven insights to make impactful decisions. Welcome to the Introduction to Python for Data Science training. In this valuable training, you'll discover Python's remarkable capabilities in data science, develop Python programming skills, and learn to manipulate and analyze data like a pro. This training covers everything from learning Python basics, dealing with various data structures, to manipulating data with Python libraries. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.